Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. We will study chapter 2 from your book Hygiene and Health. So, dear students, we will start with chapter reading from your books. Open your books. If you have book, you can open and study with me. It is said that health is wealth. Only a healthy person can work well. A person who is not healthy cannot enjoy his life, neither can he get any praiseworthy success in life. It is must for each and every individual to stay healthy and to lead a happy life. In order to stay healthy, one should follow the rules regarding personal hygiene. First of all, we will go to our daily routine. What is our daily routine? To stay healthy, our daily routine should be fixed. We should get up early in the morning. First, we should go to toilet, but don't forget to wash your hands with soap after using the toilet. Then we go for brushing teeth. We should brush our teeth regularly twice a day. We should use a good quality tooth powder or toothpaste and toothbrush. We should not brush very forcefully because it may harm the enamel, which is the protective layer covering our teeth. Enamel is the protective layer covering of our teeth. So we should not brush our teeth very forcefully. How should we brush? What is the proper use? What is the proper method? So we will read how to brush properly. While brushing, we should keep in mind that the teeth are brushed to remove and clean food particles from in between them. We should not move our brush right and left. It should be moved up and down. And then gums are very important part of our body. They hold our teeth firmly. So they are the base for our teeth. We should not brush our gums. What should we do? We should massage them or rubbed with finger after brushing teeth. How to clean our tongue? Next is how to clean our tongue. The cleanliness of our tongue is similarly important. We should clean our tongue carefully and regularly with a tongue cleaner. And then comes bathing. How to take bath? We should take a bath daily. Our skin secretes an oily substance and it sweats also. Dust particles and various disease-causing germs settle on our skin due to this oily secretion and sweat. So, we should clean our ears, nose, eyes well daily. We should apply a good quality soap on each part of our body. How to clean our eyes? Eyes are very important and most sensitive and useful parts of our body. Therefore, they should be looked after carefully. We should wash our eyes with clean and cold water daily. This keeps our eyes safe from various infections. And also, while watching television, the room should be kept well lit. There should be a proper distance between your television set and yourself. We should not rub our eyes. We should read in natural light as much as possible. We should read in natural light. Nose is also very sensitive and important part of our body. We should clean our nose daily with a clean cloth. We should not insert our finger in the nose, it may harm us. And now comes ears. Ears are another sensitive and important part of our body. We should clean our ears with a soft cotton bud. We should not insert any sharp, hard, and pointed things in our ears. We should not pour oil in our ears. It may be harmful for our ears. So children, these are the body parts that how we should clean them. The main body parts are eyes, nose, ears, and your whole body is very important. So we have to keep it clean, and we have to take good care of our body parts. And in the next class, I think this is enough for today. In our next class, we will continue the same chapter, and we will take the topics like what are the benefits of regular physical exercise, and the medical checkups, regular medical checkups, and what are the informations that parents get from during PTM. So these topics we will continue in our next class. For today, I would like to give you some questions, and you have to write answers in your copies. So take out your copies and pen and start writing with me. I am going to dictate some questions for you. You have to do it at your home, at yourself, by yourself. Question number 1 is, why is good health important for us? Question number 2, how should we clean our body parts while bathing? How should we clean our body parts while bathing? Question number 3, what is the right way of cleaning our teeth? You already read about it, how to clean your teeth. Question number 4, how should we take care of our gums and tongue? Question number 5, how should we take care of our eyes and nose? And also I am going to give you some fill in the blanks also. You have to fill. Dash is the protective layer of our teeth. You know what is the protective layer of our teeth? You know that. So you have to fill the name. Dash is the protective layer of our teeth. Number 2, we should brush our teeth dash a dash. We should brush our teeth dash a dash. Number 3, children play different types of dash in sports period. Number 4, only a healthy person can dash well. Number 5, we should read in dash light as much as possible. We should read in dash light as much as possible. Number 6, we should clean our ears with a dash. We should clean our ears with a dash. And also there are some true and false in your book, exercise C. True and false. You have to write whether the statements are true or false. Number 1, the food particles get entangled in between our teeth. The food particles get entangled in between our teeth. Number 2, we should not clean our tongue and gums as we do not need them. We should not clean our tongue and gums as we do not need them. Number 3, while bathing, we should rub every part of our body well. While bathing, we should rub every part of our body well. Number 4, gums should be massaged and rubbed well. Gums should be massaged and rubbed well. Number 5, parents should not scold their children. Parents should not scold their children. Number 6, we should clean our nose daily with our fingers. We should clean our nose daily with our fingers. So children, these are the fill in the blanks, exercise B and C. fill in the blanks and true false, and there are some questions also. You have to do it at your home. Stay home, be blessed, have a nice day.